With all the hype around the OfferLab launch, you may be wondering, is OfferLab legit? In this video, I will give you an honest review so that you can decide for yourself. I will explain what OfferLab is, how it works, and most importantly, how you can actually make money with it in a way that's real and sustainable. Before we dive in, there is something important to clear up. You may have seen affiliates promoting OfferLab as if it were some quick money grab or a business in a box. That's not what OfferLab is. And framing it this way only hurts the reputation of the platform. The truth is, yes, you can make money with OfferLab, whether it's through sales of your own products, collaborations, or affiliate commissions. But it happens in a transparent way, not through shady tactics, and definitely not through anything like a pyramid scheme. So what exactly is OfferLab? OfferLab is a platform designed to bring creators and affiliates together and make their cooperation easier. You can think of it as an alternative to ClickBank or Digistore24, but OfferLab takes things a step further. As we go through this video, you will see that there is more to this platform and why it has the potential to become a major player in the industry. OfferLab was founded by Russell Brunson, the co-founder of ClickFunnels, and if you've been around the online marketing space, you already know that whenever Russell rolls out something new, it usually makes waves. OfferLab officially launches on September 3rd, and here is why getting in early matters. When a platform like this first opens, there's usually less competition, more visibility for your offers, and the chance to secure your spot before the platform becomes more popular. And if you are an affiliate, getting in early means you can find quality products before they are saturated, build relationship with creators while they're still accessible, and position yourself as one of the first affiliates driving traffic. The best part is that OfferLab is completely free to join for both creators and affiliates, so use the link in the description to create your free account today and start ahead of the curve. Now let's see how you can use OfferLab to make money with it in a legit way. As a creator or product owner, you can use OfferLab to find affiliates for your offers and this way get more traffic, sales, meaning you can make more money. You can start by adding your products to OfferLab. You can either create a product from scratch or import it from another platform like ClickFunnels, Go High Level, Shopify, and others. Once you have added the products, you can create a so-called offer. You can create a listing for your offer. That's how it will be presented in the marketplace, and a sales page. Even here, OfferLab makes everything possible to save you time and effort. If you're already selling your product using platforms like Shopify, ClickFunnels, Go High Level, and so on, and have a converting sales page, you don't have to rebuild it in OfferLab. You can just import it to OfferLab using a default template or your own styling. How cool is that? Once your offer is inside OfferLab, affiliates can find it and promote it for you. You decide how much commission you want to pay, and the platform takes care of tracking clicks and distributing payouts. To make it even better, you can use OfferLab to collaborate with other creators by simply stacking sales pages of your offers into one funnel with one seamless checkout. And OfferLab will split the revenue and handle payouts whenever you get a sale on your funnel. The next legit way to make money with OfferLab is to promote the products that the creators list on the marketplace and earn commissions. You can browse through the marketplace and find the products you want to promote. How much you can earn in commissions depend on the product. You will see all the information on the product page. Once you have selected a few products, you don't even need to build a funnel for them from scratch. You can again use this awesome OfferLab funnel feature and easily stack together existing sales pages for these products in under a minute. Then you can publish this funnel and start driving traffic to it. OfferLab will handle the checkout and commission distribution for you. So that's the second legit way to earn with OfferLab, promoting the product from the marketplace and earning commissions. Last but not least, one more way to make money with OfferLab is to promote the OfferLab platform itself as an affiliate. And that's where a lot of affiliates are trying to present it as a money grab opportunity, which it is not, Or some people call OfferLab a pyramid scheme because it has 2 tiers of commissions. In fact, OfferLab has a legit affiliate program like a lot of other businesses. So as an OfferLab affiliate, you can refer other creators and affiliates to the platform and earn from 0.5 to 2% of their processing volume, plus 100% commissions on the OfferLab upsells. Once you earn your first $1,000 on the OfferLab platform, you unlock 0.5% in commissions on every sale from the users you bring to the platform. And as you earn more, the percentage in commissions you earn also increases. At the super affiliate level, which normally requires earning $100,000 in commissions, you unlock up to 2% lifetime commissions. Alternatively, you can take advantage of the OfferLab certification program, which is priced at $497, and instantly bump your status to super affiliate, skipping the 0.5% commissions and earning up to 2% on every sale from people you refer to the platform. By the way, if someone you invite to OfferLab gets the certification program, you earn 100% commission on that upsell. If you want to learn more about the OfferLab affiliate program, watch our video on that topic by clicking on the card up here. To give you an example of how much you can earn as an OfferLab affiliate, if a creator you bring in is making $5,000 per day, with 0.5% commissions, you earn $25 each day from that creator. Or let's say you refer a creator with a big audience who is selling for $1 million in a year. With 2% commissions, you will earn $20,000 in a year from that one creator without any effort from your side. So to wrap this up, OfferLab is not some quick money grab or shady business model. It's a legitimate platform created to connect creators and affiliates in a transparent way. Yes, you can make money here, but it's about doing it the right way, by building real offers, promoting honestly, and taking advantage of the tools the platform gives you. If you're interested to check out OfferLab, the best time to join is now, while it's still early. Use the link in the description to create your free OfferLab account, start creating your offers, or select the products that you want to promote as an affiliate. Invite your community or creator friends to join and leverage the platform together. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. I will do my best to help you out. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.